Wait, your bike is missing this, and you don't even realize it yet. Every rider knows the frustration of poor visibility, uncomfortable rides, and constant worry about safety and storage on the road. It gets stressful when small problems turn into risky moments, especially during long rides or night travel. That's why these 20 clever bike gadgets on Amazon are changing everything right now. From smart safety upgrades to hidden comfort boosters, next-level, affordable, must-have tools make every ride effortless and powerful. Wait till the end, because the final gadget is game-changing for daily riders. Number 1. Rechargeable bike tail lights. Riding at night without proper rear visibility can be dangerous, especially when traffic is heavy and unpredictable. The rechargeable bike tail lights solve this by making you clearly visible to vehicles behind you. They feature bright LED lighting with multiple flashing modes for different riding conditions. Built with a rechargeable battery, they eliminate the need for constant replacements. The compact, waterproof design ensures reliable performance in all weather. Easy to mount on any bike, they significantly improve safety and awareness during night rides or low-light conditions. Number 2. Bike phone holder. Struggling to check navigation while riding can be unsafe and distracting if your phone isn't properly secure. The bike phone holder provides a strong and stable grip that keeps your device firmly in place. Its adjustable design fits most smartphones and allows flexible viewing angles for easy GPS tracking. Built with shock-absorbing materials, it reduces vibration on rough roads. Quick to install on handlebars, it ensures your phone stays accessible and secure throughout your ride, improving both safety and convenience. Number 3. Bike handlebar. Grips. Long rides can become uncomfortable when handlebar grips are hard, slippery, or worn out. Bike handlebar grips are designed to improve comfort and control by offering a soft yet durable grip surface. Made from anti-slip materials, they reduce hand fatigue and enhance stability while riding. The ergonomic design fits naturally in your hands, giving better control during acceleration and braking. Easy to install on most handlebars, they are a simple upgrade that makes daily riding smoother and more comfortable. 4. Bike horn. A weak or unclear horn can reduce your ability to alert others on the road, increasing safety risks. The bike horn delivers a loud and clear sound that ensures you're heard in traffic. Built with durable materials, it withstands outdoor conditions and frequent use. Its compact design fits easily on handlebars without affecting riding control. Simple to install and operate, it improves road communication and helps prevent accidents by making your presence known instantly. Number 5. Bike lock. Leaving your bike unattended without strong security increases the risk of theft. The bike lock provides a reliable anti-theft solution with a strong locking mechanism designed to resist cutting and tampering. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting protection, while the compact size makes it easy to carry during rides. It securely locks your bike to fixed objects, offering peace of mind when parking in public areas. This essential accessory adds a strong layer of security for everyday riders. Number 6. Bluetooth motorcycle. Helmet communication. While riding can be difficult without stopping or using unsafe distractions, the Bluetooth motorcycle helmet solves this with built-in wireless connectivity for calls, music, and navigation audio. It delivers clear sound through integrated speakers while maintaining helmet safety standards. The hands-free system allows riders to stay connected without losing focus on the road. With noise reduction and long battery life, it enhances both convenience and safety during solo and group rides. Number 7. USB rechargeable bike lights. Poor lighting can make night riding risky and reduce visibility to other vehicles. The USB rechargeable bike lights provide bright, energy-efficient illumination that improves safety on the road. With multiple lighting modes, they adapt to different riding environments. The rechargeable battery eliminates the need for disposable batteries, making them more convenient and eco-friendly. Waterproof construction ensures reliable performance in rain or fog. Easy to mount and remove, they are a must-have for safe nighttime cycling. Bike computer. GPS tracking speed, distance, and route information manually can be difficult while riding. The bike computer GPS provides real-time data to help you monitor your performance and navigation. It displays essential riding stats clearly on an easy-to-read screen. Built for durability, it performs well in different weather conditions and long rides. With accurate GPS tracking, it helps riders stay on course and improve efficiency. This device is ideal for both casual cyclists and serious riders who want better ride insights. Number 9. LED bike wheel. Lights night riding can be hard to see and even harder for others to notice you clearly. The LED bike wheel lights solve this by adding bright, eye-catching illumination to your wheels. They create a glowing effect that increases visibility from all angles, improving safety on the road. Powered by batteries or motion activation depending on the model, they are easy to install without tools. Besides safety, they also add a stylish and fun look to your bike during night rides. Number 10. Handlebar bike mirror. Limited rear visibility can make riding risky, especially in busy traffic. The handlebar bike mirror improves safety by giving you a clear view of what's behind without turning your head. Built with adjustable angles, it allows you to position it for maximum visibility. The durable construction ensures stability even on rough roads. Easy to install on most handlebars, it enhances awareness and helps riders make safer decisions while changing lanes or navigating traffic. 11. Bike floor pump. Dealing with low tire pressure on a ride can slow you down and make cycling unsafe, especially on long routes. The bike floor pump solves this by giving you fast, efficient inflation with minimal effort. It features a sturdy base for stability and a high-pressure barrel for quick pumping. The ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to use, while the built-in pressure gauge helps you achieve accurate inflation. Compatible with most valve types, it ensures your tires stay properly inflated for safer, smoother, and more efficient rides. Motorcycle helmet. Light. Riding at night or in low visibility conditions can reduce how easily other drivers notice you. The motorcycle helmet light improves your visibility by adding bright LED illumination directly to your helmet. It features multiple lighting modes, including steady and flashing options to match different road conditions. Lightweight and rechargeable, it doesn't affect helmet comfort. Easy to attach and remove, it significantly boosts safety by making you more visible from behind and improving overall road awareness. 13. Motorcycle chain. Brush. A dirty motorcycle chain can reduce performance, increase wear, and lead to costly maintenance issues. The motorcycle chain brush is designed to clean every side of your chain quickly and effectively. Its multi-sided bristle design reaches deep into chain links to remove dirt, grease, and grime. The ergonomic handle ensures a firm grip for better control during cleaning. Durable and reusable, it makes chain maintenance faster and more efficient, helping extend the life and performance of your motorcycle chain. Number 14. Bike frame bag. Carrying essentials like keys, phone, or repair tools while riding can be inconvenient without proper storage. The bike frame bag offers a compact and secure solution that attaches directly to your bike frame. Made from durable, water-resistant material, it protects your belongings from dust and rain. Its slim design avoids interference with riding, while multiple compartments help keep items organized. Easy to install and access, it's perfect for daily rides and long-distance cycling. 15. Bike multi-tool. Unexpected mechanical issues during rides can be frustrating if you don't have the right tools. The bike multi-tool combines several essential tools into one compact device, including wrenches, screwdrivers, and hex keys. Made from strong, durable metal, it is built for long-term use and reliability. Its portable design makes it easy to carry in a pocket or bag. Ideal for quick roadside repairs, it ensures you're always prepared for minor adjustments or emergencies while riding. Number 16. Bike bell. Alerting pedestrians and other riders is important for safe cycling, especially in crowded areas. The bike bell provides a clear and loud sound that ensures you are easily heard. Built with durable materials, it withstands frequent use in outdoor conditions. Its compact design fits neatly on handlebars without taking up space or affecting control. Easy to install and use, it helps improve communication on the road and enhances overall riding safety in busy environments. Number 17. EOLO IV Co2 Regulator. Flat tires during rides can be inconvenient and time-consuming without a quick inflation solution. The EOLO IV Co2 Co2 Regulator provides fast tire inflation using CO2 cartridges, making it ideal for emergency situations. It features precise control for safe and controlled air release into your tires. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily into any cycling kit or bag. Durable construction ensures reliability during outdoor use, helping you get back on the road quickly with minimal effort. Number 18. Bike Portable Toolkit. Being unprepared for mechanical issues during rides can leave you stranded far from help. The Bike Portable Toolkit includes essential tools needed for quick repairs and adjustments on the go. It comes in a compact case that keeps everything organized and easy to carry. Made from durable materials, the tools are built to withstand regular use. Ideal for both casual riders and long-distance cyclists, it ensures you are always ready for unexpected maintenance needs. Number 19. Wireless Bike Stereo Speaker. Riding in silence can make long journeys feel less enjoyable, especially on open roads. The wireless bike stereo speaker adds music and entertainment to your rides with clear, powerful sound. It connects easily via Bluetooth to your phone or device. Designed to mount securely on handlebars, it stays stable even on rough terrain. With rechargeable battery support and weather-resistant build, it enhances your riding experience while keeping you entertained and motivated throughout your journey. Number 20. Adjustable Bicycle Fenders. Riding through wet or muddy roads can leave you covered in splashes and dirt. The adjustable bicycle fenders solve this by blocking water and debris from your tires. Designed to fit different bike sizes, they offer flexible positioning for maximum coverage. Made from lightweight yet durable materials, they withstand rough riding conditions. Easy to install and adjust, they help keep both you and your bike cleaner, improving comfort and reducing maintenance after rides. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these 20 clever bike gadgets on Amazon, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smart cycling finds. Which gadget was your favorite? Drop a comment below and check the description for all product links. See you in the next Ride Packed video.